Sorry, guys. It was almost 8 minutes delayed. How are you all? What's going on in school? Ashrita, are they doing quadrilaterals ma for you?
Oh, we finished all of that.
Kites,
We did pentagon, hexagon, and everything.
kites and all you're done?
Yes.
Kites, parallelograms, all that stuff you did?
Yes.
Okay, then 2D, 3D you have not done now.
Not yet.
See, that's what 2D, 3D we should not have hurried last week, I feel. That's okay.
We have our test over like 2D, like basically all the area and perimeter tomorrow.
Oh,
And then I
only
think
area and perimeter are they covering? See, when they cover kites, what are they covering? Did you do proofs?
no, we haven't done proofs yet with any of
That's
those.
the deal. Okay. See, when I go to quadrilaterals, I want to cover proofs and you should be good with area perimeter, everything. You see what I mean? So, yeah, go ahead, Darshita. I didn't mean to interrupt. Go
Okay,
ahead.
and Miss, I had a question. So you assigned us the geometry time test, right?
Yeah.
So for some of those questions, I didn't understand how to do it because it said like image, but it never mentioned any coordinates of the image. So I didn't know any like transformation to get to that image.
But the image got loaded, right?
Yeah, like I sent it
Can
to
you
you on
share my
WhatsApp.
Oh, you sent on the WhatsApp. Nice, ma. I'm glad you did it before the class. I am. Let me see. Yeah, but you can calculate the coordinates, right, ma?
Like it didn't tell us like what transformation by what. It just like for number 15 just said about the origin map, like dilation, A of -4 comma -1 to A prime. But it doesn't say like by what factor, any like coordinate to figure out the factor.
Oh my God. You know what I did? Okay, I know the problem. Okay, you know what? Oh my God. Okay, so okay, ma. It's my problem. I'm glad, Ashwata, you got it because you know what I did. It show meaning when I first assigned the test, right? There was a detailed diagram with both. Okay, the previous ones did not require both, so I deleted from everything. It was my
Okay.
bad. Okay, I'll add them in. I have those pictures with me.
I just guessed them on
No,
the
no, no.
test.
Please redo.
Okay.
Please redo, or I'll allow you to edit the response. Are you not able to
Okay.
edit? I'll do
No.
something about it, but wait at the end of the class. We'll see.
Okay.
Please let me add it today itself. I'm glad you went through it. See, I delete when I first put up the form, everything was in there. I deleted and corrected it by mistake. Okay. I'll do
Okay.
it. Okay. But how was the test? Was it easy?
I found it quite easy.
Quite easy. Okay, good. Good to know. Then it has to be more challenging, is what I understand. The
Miss,
camera is not working. Okay. Yes, Madhuru.
I didn't get enough time to do the test yet.
Oh, no problem. I sent only now. I've given you a lot of time. She's in a hurry, Ashwata. So it's okay. You can do it slowly. There's no hurry, but I'm glad she tried. So one of you tried. It helps me a lot with other class as well. So there were 3 problems which had mistakes. The thing is, I unnecessarily corrected it. Okay, it's okay. Uh, okay, can we move on with the properties of quadrilaterals today? I really want to finish quadrilaterals with you guys because quadrilaterals and triangle properties, are they covered, Mashuta?
No, we haven't even got to triangles.
Oh, I see. How about Dhruv, what are you doing? Srishti, what are you doing? Sahana, what are you doing? Vinisha, what are you doing?
We're doing triangles, like, but we're learning like the basic stuff, like solving for x, like in the interior angles and stuff like that.
Okay, I see. Okay, got it, ma. Srishti, Dhruv. Srishti and Dhruv, can you please
We're
educate?
doing like parallel lines cut by a transversal, like angle relationships.
That's nice. Okay,
Oh,
go ahead, ma.
oh, we're just doing a project about like from that project about like SAS congruent triangles and all that stuff.
Okay, so you are at the back, so I'm good.
We just had a
Oh,
test over reflections, rotations, and translations.
is that easy, ma, Sahana?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. A little bit, na, is it hard? Should I talk to your mom?
Some of the topics are hard, but like that one wasn't too hard.
No, some of the topics are hard now. Did it not come here?
It did, but it was like still a bit hard.
Please let me know what are they, right? I'll help you with them. Like,
I'll check.
yeah, check and send them. See, at the end, this has to help you as well. So I do try to go back. And for me, it's okay not to cover a topic. It's really okay. As long as you understand whatever topics are covered nicely and is helping you there, I'm glad to be going. Okay. Now, guys, when it comes to polygons, right, I really want you to understand a couple of things, very important things here. So let's say I have a triangle. What is the name of it? Okay. How many sides? Number of sides. I use this notation, number of sides, number of rectangles. I'm sorry, number of triangles. And then sum of interior angles, sum of each angle. So we are going to put up a table here. Okay, we are starting with the topic polygons. Okay. Let me see. Many things we have already covered. Okay, this one I would have covered if you had studied with me in 7th grade already. I would want to go ahead quickly, but I don't know how many of you know. Let's see. I'm always thinking about regular polygons when I come to this table. Okay, regular means what? All the sides are equal. So I'm going with the triangle first. Okay, triangle is a polygon, right? How many sides it has? I will fill in first 2. Then you can fill in the others. 3. Number of triangles is 1. Sum of the interior angles is what?
180.
180. Sum of regular means all sides are equal. So each angle will be 180 divided by 3. Makes sense? 180 divided by 3. Makes sense, guys? Now let's go ahead with quadrilateral. I'm having a quadrilateral. Number of sides is
4.
4. Number of triangles is split into triangles. You can split by yourself.
Wait, can't you make like a bunch of triangles out of this?
No. You meaning see in such a way that their area is split. You don't want to make as many triangles as possible. I really want them. Meaning, see how I am splitting. Did you see?
Hmm.
I don't want you to split like this. There is no use, right? I cannot find the area of this, meaning I cannot find any angles in this triangle. But when I split them, right, I make sure, see, if I split it like this, right,
So
I
you
know
can
that some of these angles are 180, some of these angles are 180. That way, I know all of the angles within the quadrilateral. So, number of triangles is what?
2.
2. And then some of the interior angles is 180 plus 180, right? 180 times
360.
number of triangles, see? Make sense? And then sum of the interior angles, whatever is in here, I'm copying it, divided by what?
4. Wait,
Up, correct, 4 angles, right? So what is it?
90.
90, good job. It's regular is what we are considering. That's why it's coming as 90. Now, let's go to a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides, right? How many triangles are possible? How many sides are there?
oh, there's 5.
5. How many number of triangles?
3.
Sum of the interior angles? 180. How many? 180 times?
3.
3. Sum of each angle? Can I say this?
Yeah.
What is the answer?
What? That's like 360. Almost 360. Pretty sure.
No, not almost. You have to be exact.
440 by 5.
Huh? Is it right? 180 times 3 by 6.
108, 100, never.
Yeah.
I did it wrong.
Okay. Hey, the geometry test was very easy, right? I really wanted to be a little challenging, but it didn't. Okay. Let's see. Hexagon. Let's see. How about this?
6 sides.
6 sides are there, but how many triangles?
4.
4, correct. So it's also following a pattern. Some of the interior angles are 180, 180, 180, 180, right? So sum of each angle is 180 times 4 divided by 6. What is it? What is it?
120.
Now for a heptagon is 7-sided, right? What happens? 4, 5, I don't know what I'm drawing. Okay. Go ahead, guys. You can do it by yourself.
Sides, 5 triangles.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Number
and
of sides is 7, 5 triangles, 180 times 5. Then what is each angle?
80 times 5 divided by 7.
Make sense, guys?
Mm-hmm.
So if it is a n-gon is n number of sides. Gon is angles, ma. N-angled polygon. What will be the number of sides?
And
9.
oh,
Ma, n, ma, not 9, ma. N.
and
N. Number of triangles will be? See the pattern.
-2.
N
And
minus
Good job. Some of the interior angles will be
180 times
180 times
n -2.
n minus 2. Did you get it? Hey, Nabiha Vibah, did you get it?
I got
Yeah.
how you got the number of sides, but not how you got the number of triangles.
Okay, see, you have to voice out. Stop. Everybody's rushing. So here, in this, I'm just splitting up from one end. How many ever diagonals I can make, I am making. This is one triangle, two triangle. In this one, from this one diagonal, another diagonal. Now 1, 2, 3 triangles. Make sense, ma?
Yeah, but how did you get it for the n-gon?
See the pattern here. If there are 3 sides, it's one triangle. If there are 4 sides, it's 2 triangles. If there are 5 sides, it's 3 triangles. If there are 6 sides, it's 4 triangles. If there are 7 sides, it's 5 triangles. So n sides, what is the pattern?
Oh, okay, I get it now.
Yeah, so like that, stop and ask. Okay. Then the sum of interior angles is how many ever triangles are there times 180, correct? And then that divided by the number of sides will give you the each angle. You got it? Vinish, are you following, ma?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can I move on? Okay, so now the formula for sum of each angle is 180 times n minus 2 divided by n. Got it, guys? We arrived at a formula. We derived a formula now. Can I move on? Okay, guys. In a triangle, what is this remote angle? This remote angle R will be equal to what? Who can say?
R is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3.
R is equal to?
Angle 1 plus angle 3.
angle 3.
Because of the exterior angle there.
Good. R is equal to 1 plus 3. The remote angle will be equal to the sum of remote interior angles. Make sense? Make sense? Okay. R, the remote angle, will be equal to the sum of the interior angles 1 and 3. Can I move on? Okay, now, okay. How about this, guys? You should know all this when given. How about this? If I give you like this, right? This is if I give you 56. What is this angle, guys? No, tell me how will you compute? I'm not looking at
Right.
bugging you and getting answers. Please explain how are you going to get this?
Gotcha.
Yeah, go ahead, Dhruv.
So, since it's vertical angles, this angle will also be 56.
You go ahead. I'll not
And
draw. Go ahead.
the isosceles triangle, the bottom two, the base angles will also be equal.
Why the base angles are equal? You have to explain. Whoever didn't follow, they'll get it. Sahana, are you feeling good, Sahana?
So since it is isosceles triangle, the opposite sides of this,
Mhm.
since those two equal, the other opposite side angles will be equal.
Mm-hmm.
Since these two angles are equal, then you can say 56, and then since all angles in the triangle add up to 180, you do 56 plus 2x
Mm.
is equal to 180.
So what is x?
Yeah, 1 minus 56 by 2.
Make sense?
Yes.
Sahana, are you feeling okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now let me go ahead. The polygon thing is good now. Okay, how about A? Do you all know what is the exterior angles of triangle add up to? Do you all know that? I don't. I forgot about it. Exterior angles of a triangle. You know what they add up to?
360.
360.
How about a quadrilateral?
360.
Why,
Yeah.
you know? Do you all know why?
No.
Okay, let's do it quickly. Okay, I want you to know why as well. Okay. Now, what is angle one, angle A plus angle B plus angle Z in this triangle?
180.
180. Good. Do you know what is the relationship between 2 plus B? 1 plus A. How much is that? I'm going to add all of them. What is
They're 180.
1 plus A? Why? What is 1 plus A? Why should it be 180?
It's because it's a straight line.
Yes. 2 plus B also forms a straight line. So another 180. Right? And then C plus 3 also forms another 180. Does it make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So everything is also adding up 180. That we already know. Okay. Now let me put this into an equation. So I don't want to put it here. 1 plus A plus 2 plus B plus C plus 3. You all know that it is 180 times 3, which is 540. Now, you only told me A plus B plus C adds up to what?
180.
180. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 180 is 540. Can I say that? Subtract 180 on both sides. What do you get? 1 plus 2 plus 3.
360.
360. That is why. You got it?
Okay.
Now when you think, can I move on, guys? Nabiha, did you follow? Did you have a question? Don't wait for me and bug you. You tell me. You
No,
stop.
yeah, I got it.
Oh, okay. Vinisha, did you get it? You guys are quiet. That's
Yeah,
why
I
I'm
get it.
okay. Srishti, you got it, ma?
Yeah.
Srishti, Hana, you got it? Sahana, you got it?
Yeah,
Okay. You're very tired today?
a little, yeah.
Okay. Let's see. A, B, C. I'll show for two, then it follows for the rest, okay? Because it goes on getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, how about this? You know that 3 plus B plus 4 plus A plus 1 plus D plus C plus 2 is what? I'm adding all of this. How much is that?
720.
Oh, 720, you got it. Okay. Now, do you know A plus B plus C plus D what it is? Can be split into two triangles, right? Remember. So what is
It's
the interior angles of a quadrilateral adding up to?
360.
360. So remember that. Now I'm going to pick those out. A, B, C, D. 360 I'm going to substitute. And I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the exterior angles of a triangle, right? Of the quadrilateral. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 will be equal to 720 minus 360. How much is it?
360.
360. So whatever you do, the exterior angles of any polygon adds up to 360. Make sense?
Mhm.
Okay. Now, yeah. Okay, let's see this one, guys. I want to give you one or two and then only go ahead, guys. Okay. So can you send me the you would want me to make it bigger. How about this? Can you tell me what is the value of x in this diagram? What is the value of x in this diagram? Did I record? What is the value of x in that diagram?
Miss Priya,
Yes,
do
ma'am.
we send the answers in the chat?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I want one ACT, SAT type SAT question on that. After that, we'll move on. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's one question. This is the second question. Okay, with that, we'll move on. Go ahead, guys. You can send the answer for both. If you didn't understand, you can ask I feel rather than me intervening. These two are not hard ones. 30 and 55. Okay. Did you get it? If you didn't get it, I'm here.
I didn't get it.
You didn't get it. Okay. Vibha, is that right on the second one? I'm a little lost, guys. Nabiha. It's not a triangle, ma. Definitely, it's not a triangle. You have to think about it and say. Nabiha, both you have to check, Nabiha. Dhruv, the first one is right. Srishti, I think you made a subtraction mistake on the first one. Can you recheck?
Yeah.
I think you made just a subtraction mistake. The final thing. Second one is incorrect, ma.
Mine's?
Correct. Yes, ma.
Okay.
Correct. Okay, I'm off. Okay. Got it, guys? Ashrita, I'm checking. Yes, we will solve together. Ashrita, clue for you. They say it's a regular hexagon, regular pentagon. Remember the table we drew?
Yeah.
We'll give you the sum of the interior angles, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then bottom is a line, right? 150 degree, 180 degrees, right?
I get how to do it now.
Yeah.
Same.
So
I'll
I'll give
try.
you clues. Why don't you figure out? These are regular hexagons. This one, please remember, this is not a line. This is not a straight line. Okay, so you need to find out B. Sahana, how I can help you with the first one, Sahana? Sahana, you have to tell me.
Miss Priya, is my second answer correct?
I will. See, I have some comments for some of you, so I really want to follow up with the moms and dads immediately. Otherwise, I'll also forget. I'm waiting, guys, still. If you don't know, I'm going to explain it. Dhruv. Yeah, I think that's right, Dhruv. Vinisha. Vinisha, this was not a part of the homework, Amma, but oh, in school or here, Vinisha, you're thinking?
Oh, I remember seeing this on the homework, like these two problems, but I didn't do the first one.
Okay. Okay, I'll go over both, guys. Nabiha, where are we, ma? Yes, first one, all of this. Getting it.
I think I got the first one. I fixed the answer. I'm just a little confused on the
The
second.
second one, right? Mahir, nice to see your answer, Mahir. Not really, Mahir. Mahir, your equation seems right, but the way you solved it, I don't think it's right, ma.
That's Priya. Could you check my answer for the second question?
I will, ma. I thought of explaining it directly, ma, rather than wasting time looking at. Wait. I'll check since you asked me. I'll check. Where? Ashrita's second one. Second one seems incorrect to me. I thought Dhru's answer was right, but let me check. Okay, we'll check it together. X minus 11. See, ma, these are all exterior angles of a polygon. Any polygon's exterior angle will add up to what? So you're just going to form equations. Okay, these are very nice, easy questions that might come up in your standardized test. So you need to be knowing all this. You can combine them, 4x, and then minus 1, and then minus 43 plus 31, right? Now 4x minus what? 12, huh? 3 minus 1 is a 2, 4 minus 3 is a 1. So that will be equal to 360, right? 372 equal to 4x. X will be equal to 9, 3. Mahir, your equation, this one was right. But after that you fell off somewhere. Where did you fall off?
I think I made the 31 negative.
Oopsie daisy, yes, correct. Got it? Okay. Nabiha, did you understand? Srishti, did you understand? Vibha, did you understand?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Sometimes when you're quiet, I don't understand. Some of you keep quiet, but then understand it as well.
Yeah,
So,
no, that's what I put as the answer, but when I was like typing 9, I clicked 8 instead.
see, that's what I thought. I thought it was a subtraction mistake. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, the figure below shows, see, this is a regular hexagon pentagon. How do I know what are these angles? Quickly, remember, we derived a formula, n times n minus 2 times 180. I'm sorry. N minus 2 times 180 was the sum of the interior angles, correct? N represented the number of sides. So 4 times 180 was the sum of these angles. 32, 3, 4 is for 720 here. See, but then 720 by 6.
120.
Yeah, 120. This is 120. This is 120. So this has to be 60. However, this side it's a pentagon. Pentagon means 5 minus 2. N minus 2 times 180, right? Divide by 5. That will be each angle, right? So 5
Miss
minus 2,
Priya,
8 times. Yeah, ma?
I have a question. Instead of doing like this big step, can't you just do 360 divided by 6 for the exterior angle?
Oh, wow. Very proud of you. Yes, you can do it. Okay, I'll finish this and give that explanation too. Nice, Vibha. Very, very nice. 60 is 18, 130 is 9, 108. So I'm going the hard way. She's saying an easy way. I'll tell you what. 108. From here, this one I can find it out as 72. This one is 60. Now 60, 72. This is a triangle, right? 60, 72. Add that and subtract that from 180. That is what you get. 60, 72, 2, 12, 132. So from 180, when you subtract that 132, it will be what? 48. Make sense?
Wait, so my answer was right?
Yes. Now, Vibha is coming up with a very nice picture. She's saying, hey, this is a regular hexagon, correct? Exterior angles all add up to 360, right? Since it's a regular hexagon, all the exterior angles are equal. 360 divided by 6 is 60. For a pentagon as well, the exterior angles add up to 360, but 360 divided by 5, right? Because it's only 5 exterior angles, right? So she's saying this is 72. So much easier, right? 60, 72, and then it's a triangle again. You got it? Nice, Vibha. Can I move on?
Miss
Miss
Priya,
Pranj, are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, tell me guys, what's up?
I typed my answer wrong. I got 48, but I don't know
Oh,
why I
no.
typed in 78.
That's okay. Got it? Good. Can I move on? See, solve problems like this. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. Sahana, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, good. Uh, now, these all take up too much time. Trapezoids and kites. How about trapezoids and kites? Okay. We will be discussing. See, I don't want to just discuss area perimeter. Okay. I really want to do everything together for trapezoids and kites. When we get into quadrilaterals, guys, I really, really want you to memorize the properties of each quadrilaterals. Don't think, hey, this is very easy. Trapezoids and kites we've been learning. Parallelogram we've been learning. Yes, you've been learning everything. Rhombus you've been learning. Squares you've been learning. Rectangles you've been learning from third grade. However, when it comes to properties, right? For you to prove certain things, right? If you forget a small thing, it's gone. You cannot be doing the proofs on this. So it is so important to memorize the properties associated with each of these quadrilaterals. Okay. Now let's go ahead before I move on, right? Okay. How do you define a trapezoid? How do you define a trapezoid? I'm going to go with trapezoids first. I'll go with definition and properties. Please remember, it's all in the notes, but you have to know that you have to memorize what is in the notes, at least for the properties. There's no other go. So what is the definition of a trapezoid?
It's a square and two triangles.
It's a quadrilateral, right? It's a four-sided figure.
Yeah.
But with what? With exactly one pair of parallel sides. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the properties? Only two of the lines.
Miss Priya, is it okay if I turn off my video because I'm going in my car?
Sure, I know, ma. Yes, Dhruv, you go. Yeah. Only two lines. Your father told me. Only two lines, same slope, correct? Okay. Now, when is the next? When is your class, Dhruv? Meaning, I just want to understand by how much time I need to finish.
My class is at 10:45, but I have to start right now.
No problem. You keep going. 10:45. You log off at 10:45. I'll make sure. Okay. Okay. I'm also trying to move the other class, third graders class. So we'll see. Dhruv, I do remember your father's request. Tell him we'll see what we can do. Okay. Only two lines will have same slope. Okay. Properties would be only two lines will have same slope. Now, before I go to the other property, right, I want to discuss what are isosceles trapezoids. What is an isosceles trapezoid? Who knows? Who knows what is an isosceles trapezoid is? What are these two called in a trapezoid? Tell me.
The bases.
Base. Correct. What are these two called? Legs. What is an isosceles trapezoid? Legs are of same length. Legs are of same length. And what are these angles called? Base angles are congruent. Any questions, guys?
No.
Base angles are congruent, legs are of the same length. So that gives you the isosceles trapezoid properties. Any questions? Mark, from what we have discussed, they can ask any number of proofs. Seems so simple, but when it comes to proof, it's a lot of work. Can I move on? Okay, now let me show you this. How do you prove How do you prove that the given diagram? They'll ask you what quadrilateral it is. How will you prove that?
And you can like find the length of every side.
Good. Okay.
You can also find the slope of like the top two.
Sorry, ma. Why do you find the length of every side?
No, the slope of like.
No. The first answer was, why do you find the length of every side? Ashita, you said you can find the length of every side, right?
So you can,
Trapezoid, there is no need to find the length of every side, right?
yeah.
What should you find then, Dhruv?
The slope.
Slope. When you find the slope of each line, what happens? See, don't worry, there'll be lattice points. Here they are not, okay? But consider that these are lattice points. Lattice points means you don't know what is this point. Consider that this point is this. Lattice point means exactly -7, 2, like that. Consider that they are lattice points, okay? Now tell me, why do you find the slope of each line? Let's call it as A, B, C, D.
Because a trapezoid A, B, and C, D have to be parallel. Like for a isosceles trapezoid.
Yeah, so basically, why do you find the slope? You find the slope of AB, you find the slope of BC, you find the slope of CD, you find the slope of DA, right? Each of the slope, when you find, only two should be equal because a trapezoid has only exactly one pair of parallel sides, right? Two of these slopes only should be equal, the rest of it should not match. Make sense?
Yeah.
Then it yeah. When you want to prove this is an isosceles trapezoid, then you have to make sure whatever slope is equal, leave them. Let's say these two slopes are equal. These two slopes are equal, let's say. Okay, now for the other two, you need to measure what is the length of BC, what is the length of DA. Like that, you need to measure distance formula, right? You are given the coordinate points. So you know the distance formula, you can equate the distances and show that it's an isosceles trapezoid. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Now, if they want you to find the area, what will you do? You can split this into two triangles, find the area. Find this distance, find this distance. That gives you the area of the rectangle. Got it, guys? Then the triangle area is half BC, half base times height. Similarly, this is half base times height. Find the area and then add them together. Make sense, guys?
That's one.
Okay. How about this? Okay, let's see. Let's try this one. Trapezoid we did, but I wanted to do one. Oh, I did not do this. Okay. Did you come across this mid segments of a trapezoid? Let me put it up. Mid segments of a trapezoid. Mm. Okay, there's one important theorem or one important definition when it comes to trapezoids. Ashita, I just want to know, when you covered the quadrilaterals, right? Did you
Yeah.
cover all these or yet to cover? Meaning, I just want to know what is your scope of what you're doing in school, that's all.
We haven't covered these yet, but I don't know if we're gonna cover it next week or not.
You will, okay. Don't worry, meaning 100% these are going to come. Okay, these are benchmarks of geometry. Okay, so now I just want to know what is the scope you have covered, that's all. Okay, now here, when it comes to A, B, C, D, right, mid segments of a trapezoid means, let's say the midpoint of AD is M. M is the midpoint of AD. N is the midpoint of BC. Okay, now I'm connecting both. The line segment that is connecting both, that is called the mid segment. Now, the length of the mid segment, the length of the line segment MN will be equal to the sum of the length of the bases divided by 2. Any questions? Mitransh, are you following?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, what are you doing in school, Mitransh?
I'm still in algebra.
I know. What are you doing?
Like we're doing equations.
Doing equations. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. So did you guys understand about the mid segment? The problem is they will have a lot of problems using this one, using this formula. It's not a formula. Just understand how it works. Mid segment is, the length of the mid segment is the average of the two bases. Okay. Now let's go ahead with, oh, I don't want to go to a kite. We are not yet there. How about this? I'll give you a tricky question right away. Okay. Okay. You're going to find this for me. Tell me what is the answer. I'm going to wait. If you didn't get it, it's okay. You get it, guys? I can help. I want to cover kite. Class flies actually for me. I don't know for you guys. I don't know how to finish. Go ahead. Hmm. Ashita, you do. There's something wrong, Amma. Who got me the answer? Somebody got. There's something minor mistake, I think so. Or did I give you it wrongly?
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
I am checking. Wait, Ma. Mitransh only I checked. Yeah, Mahir, you got it, Mahir. Ashrita, you got it. Vinisha got it. Dhuru got it. Mitransh, can you check one? Sahana, you got it. Drishti, you.
Miss Priya, I don't understand.
Yeah. See, ma'am, mid segment is average of the two sides, right? So basically, Mn will be equal to Hj plus Lk divided by 2, right, Nabiha?
Right. Okay.
Hj is 18. You need to find Lk. I don't know that. Mn is 20. Just equate, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I think I got it now.
X by 2. Mitransh, where did B lose, Mitransh? 56 will be equal to 18 plus X. X will be equal to 30. Mitransh, did you get it?
Yeah.
Biba, did you understand?
Yeah.
If it's too fast, you have to tell me. But I don't think I'm fast as well because it's a lot to discuss when it comes to quadrilaterals and triangles. They have everything covered as a part of their benchmark. Okay, coming to chi, I want to give you one more. Yeah, I told you how to prove it's an isosceles trapezoid, right? Hey, this was one problem that I was trying to tell you. Do you know how to verify that it's a trapezoid? What will you do, guys?
Calculate the slopes to see
Yep.
if they're equal.
Yep, and only one of them. How will you prove that they are isosceles trapezoid? It's an isosceles trapezoid. You need not, meaning how to check whether it's an isosceles trapezoid? How will
Two
you check?
pairs of equal slopes.
Equal slopes will tell you that only two sides are parallel. The slope of this and this will be equal. But if I want to check whether this is an isosceles trapezoid, what will you do?
The distance of the legs have to be equal.
Yeah, the distance of the legs. These two lengths should be equal. Make sense?
Mhm.
Okay. Now When you go to kites, how do you define a kite, guys? How do you define kites?
Quadrilateral with 4 sides.
Quadrilateral with 4 sides, but there are other properties, right? Meaning,
triangles.
do you know what a
Consists of 2 triangles.
Oh, nice. Yeah, consists of 2 triangles. Okay. Let's try a kite. How do you define a kite? Definition and properties, I said I'll tell for everything. Definition is what? Quadrilateral with uh, 2 pairs of congruent adjacent sides. Can I say that? What does it mean? What does it mean? This is what it means. Make sense? That's the only quadrilateral with 2 pairs of congruent adjacent sides. This is congruent to this, right? They're adjacent sides. Similarly, this is congruent to this. They're adjacent sides. Any questions? Now, what are the properties of a kite? See, the thing is, when you think about each one, right, when I discuss in class, it feels so easy. Kite, this is the properties. Trapezoid, it's only a trapezoid, it's very easy, yes. But when you combine everything and give proofs on everything, it's so confusing. So unless you're very clear with the properties and definition, it becomes very hard when they consolidate. Okay, yeah. So now, properties here, the diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals form 90-degree angles. That's so important a property. Diagonals are perpendicular. Exactly one pair of opposite angles are equal. Exactly one pair of opposite angles are equal. That means what? Which pair of opposite angles are equal? Who can tell me? Which pair of opposite angles are equal? Just guess, wild guess. Which pair of opposite angles are equal?
C and no C and A. No, not no. Yeah.
B.
C and B and C and B. My bad.
C and B.
B.
C and B. These two angles are equal. Any questions? See, why I am drawing in different colors. Once you see it, right, I am thinking you'll always remember this as eyes of the kite. Oh, these two will be equal. That's all. To just make you remember. Can I move on? Diagonals are perpendicular. See this? Diagonals are perpendicular. It has a nose and 2 eyes, I'll remember. Can I move on? Okay. How about this? These are these. Let's see a different problem. How about you want a kite? Okay, how about this? Would you be able to find YZ? Yeah, YZ, YZ, YZ. Yeah, you should be able to. Let's see, guys. Do you think you can find this?
Is 5 an angle or a line?
Oh, 1 minute. 5. No, you tell me. You tell me. 5 is an angle or a line?
It's a line.
Yes. Okay. If it was an angle, what through? It would have had this, right? Or radians. Angle can be measured in degrees or radians.
Okay.
Radians you have not come across, you will come across in geometry shortly, maybe in 2-3 months. Go ahead. Do you think you can find this? Actually, in try to do the diagonals bisect. Did I not say that property?
Is it a decimal?
You can say it in radical form.
Okay.
I'm wondering if I did not say this one. Mm. Bisects the other diagonal. I see. Okay, you're using, see, even if you say the answer is correct, right? I have forgotten to discuss this property. But yeah, it's simplest. Yeah, that is correct, Dhruv. But yeah, Ashita, that's correct. But both of you, yes, Mitrans, that's correct. Whatever you're doing. But then think about this. Why did you take this as 5? This is 5. So you guys have taken this as 5, right? To find out yz. If you want to find out yz, you know that this is perpendicular. So you can apply Pythagorean theorem. I understood. But why did you take this as 5?
Really?
Yeah, you want to
I,
go
I
through?
first, I
No.
first look.
Sure, I'll go, but like, let me answer this real quick. But I didn't take it as 5. So I just found like this line over here, and then since this line is equal to this line, I just found this one. That's
Good
it.
job. Good job. But remember that this diagonal, the axis of symmetry, this is the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry diagonal bisects the other diagonal.
Also, can I go now?
Yeah, please. Yes, that's why I wanted to let you go. Go ahead, ma. Go ahead, Ashita. What was that?
I found it because I found the measure of yx using Pythagorean theorem because you already had that labeled. And then shouldn't yx be congruent to yz?
Yes, that is correct.
So
And
that's
also
how.
remember that this is the same as this because the axis of symmetry diagonal bisects the other diagonal.
Okay.
But that's because these two are equal. I can't say that. Okay. So here, as you said, right, your explanations were better. 5 square plus 8 square, square root, that is this hypotenuse. But you know that this side is congruent to the other side yz. So 25 plus 49, that is square root of 89 applies here. Make sense? Okay. So now, one or two more questions and kite and then we move on.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
square root of 8 is not 49.
Square root of 89, I said, ma.
You said 49.
89.
The square root of 8, you said it was 49.
Sorry, did I make a mistake? Let me see. Oh, sorry. Make sense? Thank you, Mitransh. I really appreciate your correction. Can I move on? Okay. How about we'll do one or two more, I said, right? I lost it. Hold on. Okay, how about I don't want trapezoid. Trapezoid we've done enough. How about this, guys? Do you think you can handle this one? You can prove isosceles trapezoid, which is all good. I want more kite problems. Let me see one more kite problem. Okay, do you know how to find them? I'll give you two kite problems and then finish. Let's see. How about this? Do you know how to find out x? Please, one of you shout out because there will be people who did not understand this yet. How will you find out x?
Measure of angle x has to be congruent to measure of angle z, and
Yeah,
the angles inside a quadrilateral equal to 360.
good.
So we can do 70 plus 56, which is
Good. And then subtract it from 3.
minus 180.
In a kite, there is only one pair of angles, opposite angles that are equal, that is x and z. Okay. How do you find it? In a kite, these two are adjacent sides that are equal. These two are adjacent sides that are equal. So, it is always that the eyes, remember, the eyes are equal, right? So with that, you can use and find. You don't have to find because you can compute it at home. Okay, now I want one more kite. This is a good one. How about this? Can we do this? WXYZ is a kite. Let me put it. I think, but this is an easy one. Wait,
Oh,
wait.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
what was the answer to the other one?
You want the answer to the other one? I can check and see. Hold on. The answer to the other one, what did you get, Mitransh?
I didn't get to solve it. You just went too fast.
I'll wait.
I got 214.
214. Something feels wrong to me, Mitransh. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we need
Miss
to
Priya, could you erase the drawing?
Yeah. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. I'll erase the drawing, I'll erase everything, and then you can. I want to do the previous problem too. I didn't mean to do that drawing because that was there before. So let me do for Mitran. She wanted this question. So let's see. This one, these two are equal, right? So I'll put x 70 plus 56 plus 2x equal to 360. No, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 2x equal to 360. So 2x will be equal to 360 minus 126, which will be 4, 3, and then this is what you got, right, Mitransh?
Yes.
Okay. But 2x is that. So x will be equal to 117. Makes sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the other one, right? WX, let's see this one. W, X, Y, Z. I need to be careful. Hold on. WXYZ is a kite. WXY, so X is 13 plus 24. WZ, this is 35. And Z, guys, I think I did not give you the diagram, which seems a mistake. Let me see whether we have the diagram given. Yes. See, because this one you cannot draw without the diagram. You might mistake one angle with the other. So let me draw the diagram for you. Let me
Which
draw
one?
the diagram. Without the diagram, you can get confused with which
Number
angle you want.
50, number 50, we have the diagram.
Oh, oh yeah, good, good, good. Thanks. The problem is that was not showing up for me on my board. Okay, got it, ma. Then you can do, right? Then I can draw in the diagram itself. Did you guys get the answer for this one?
I'm
Fine.
still solving.
D by x. So we need to find out this. What they have given. WXY they have given. This is 13x plus 24. Mahir, are you following?
Yeah.
ZWX. What are you discussing in school, Mahir?
We're doing proofs right now
Proofs on what, ma?
on, I think,
Uh-huh.
we finished like a test for proofs.
I see. Okay. Good to know. Done. Done.
I'm saying my answer right now.
Okay. Ashita, I have to check. Ashita, hold on. I didn't do, but if you want me to do, I will do. I will stop there. That's correct, Ashita. So, see, trapezoids and kites I covered, right? For next week, I'll go ahead and do parallelograms, rhombuses, and stuff, okay? But we will cover, see, area perimeter and all. I am thinking it's relatively easier. You're going to get the coordinate points, distance formula, and then multiplication. So, each 2D figure, you know how to find the area. So, you can add them up and stuff. Perimeter is very easy, distance is addition. But I would go ahead and cover parallelogram properties definition, then rhombus, squares, rectangles properties definition and proofs. That's what we are going to do. Any questions for me? Vinisha, correct ma. Nabiha, never mind, that's wrong. Okay, I'll wait. Ashita, I just want to correct the test with you. Give me a
Okay.
few minutes. Any other questions? Yeah, finish it and go, guys. If you got it, you can do.
Priya's my answer yet?
Vibha is Sahana, no Sahana. Vibha, correct ma. Vibha, how is it going for you, Vibha? Are you able to relate what we discussed with the schoolwork? No? Huh?
Kind of.
Yeah,
Like the interior angles thing and all. Yeah, we did that like a month ago, but then like not the proofs.
I see. Okay. So how is it helping then?
It's kind of like advanced because this is like what we'll learn like next year, and then next year is like when we have like the advanced math option, like
Oh, you can switch
the
to that?
next year thing. Yeah,
And
so if I write the exam, I can.
oh, I see.
Switch.
That is good to know, ma. That is good to know, but I want to have a close tab with your mom or dad sometime.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Miss
yeah.
Priya, is my answer correct?
Yes, Rishti, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Miss Priya, I keep getting a decimal for X.
I'm going to work it out on the board, okay?
Okay.
So quickly, Ashita, you have to wait, Ashita, sorry. 13x plus 14 plus, see, this is the same as this two i's, right? 13x plus 14 plus 35 plus 13x plus 24 will be equal to what? 360, right? 13, 13, 13, 313, what is it? 39x plus 28 plus 24 will be equal to 360. 52 will be equal to 360.
Miss Priya, you forgot the 35.
I forgot the 35. Thank you, Mitranj. I really appreciate it. Now I'll add these two. 787 plus 39x equal to 360. 39x equal to 360 minus 87. 360 minus 87.
It's 273.
Nice. 39x equal to 273. X is 273 by 39.
That's 7.
X will be equal to 7. Now zyx, right? Zyx is, we have to find zyx, we have to find, that is 13x plus 14, which will be 13 times 7 plus 14, 91 plus 14 is 105. Any questions? Okay, I'll stop here. If you have questions, you stay. Otherwise, we'll see you next week, and the homework could be related to polygon angles, trapezoids, and kites. Okay, proofs at the end. Okay, any questions for me? Stay, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Yeah.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma.
I had a question.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
basically, for the time test that we took like in September, like when are we gonna get that, or did you like already give us the grade back?
I thought I gave. Wait, ma. Wait. You wait. Good questions. If you have
Okay.
questions,